I want money, I want money, I want money, I want money.
Stop here. I said, stop here. What is Tube Mastery and Monetization? Tube Mastery and Monetization is a step-by-step training program that teaches people how to start making money with YouTube. The course was created by a young man named Matt Parr who earned 6 figures from multiple YouTube channels. You're probably aware that YouTube is a great way to make money online. But YouTube is not for everyone.
Hey, what's going on? It's Matt here, and I wanted to just shoot a quick testimonial for Matt Parr and his YouTube Mastery course. So I already had a channel, but what I decided to do after I went through the course, he goes into incredible amounts of detail. So what I decided is to build a channel from scratch, literally 0 subscribers, 0 views, and a niche that I'm very passionate about, liked it, just didn't know really how to monetize it. I followed his strategies, and on day 2, my second upload, I actually made $100 affiliate commission. So if you just follow his steps along the way, not only will you grow your channel, grow your subscriber base, but he goes into several different monetization strategies that you can use to literally build a passive business. That's the beauty about YouTube, and the power of these videos are always playing 24/7 all around the world, and you have an ability to create a passive income, a passive business with YouTube. So if you're on the fence, just kind of deciding like, hey, does it work? Does it not? Is it worth the money? I highly recommend it. The strategies he implements and the detail he goes into, obviously well worth it. You know, I made a sale second day, so really excited. Like I said, I'm only 4 days in, already shooting a testimonial for him, just because I really found a ton.
A lot of people are camera shy, which is not a problem with this course. According to the creator of Tube Mastery and Monetization, this step-by-step course is suitable for anyone interested in making money with YouTube. YouTube is indeed one of the best ways to make money online. But the problem is, too many courses out there promise massive amounts of money fast. And most of them are scams. That said, you've probably seen Matt Parr's ads on YouTube, and that is why you need a review in the first place. He got me interested as well, so I decided to learn more. There's one question that needs an answer before you give your money away to random gurus on the net. That question is Tube Mastery and Monetization a scam or a legit course to learn how to set up a profitable YouTube channel? Matt teaches people to make money with YouTube without even showing your face. How would you achieve that? Well, there are a few techniques that you can use to rank videos on YouTube without having to show your face. For example, you can use video software that creates cartoon-style videos that are highly popular these days. All in all, inside Tube Mastery and Monetization, you will discover 7 step-by-step training modules where Matt Parr is going to teach you how to choose your niche, set up your YouTube channel, upload videos to YouTube, grow your channel, monetize your videos, scale your income. Matt Parr started his first YouTube channel when he was just 14 years old. Today, he owns multiple channels all across the world's second largest search engine and makes 6 figures for doing so. More precisely, he owns 10 channels so far. Quite impressive for a kid his age, wouldn't you agree? What I like about Matt is that he is a genuine guy. He's not trying to sell you dream about making millions overnight with his Tube Mastery and Monetization course. Instead, he's focused on helping you to follow his success and avoid mistakes that have cost him a lot of time and money. As I was saying, Matt Parr started his first YouTube channel at the age of 14. 2 years later, he was having 100K subscribers and was earning almost 5 figures per month using monetization strategies that are available to anyone. I put a link in the description, so you can see for yourself what it's all about. Thank you.